Hi, welcome to Amazing Abby's Kitchen. We are going to prepare pizza sauce recipe. Take 2 ripe potatoes and cut it, making an X mark, so that when we boil tomatoes, the skin can be peeled off easily. In the boiling water, add the tomatoes for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, place the tomatoes in water and allow it to cool. Peel the skin of the tomato. To make tasty pizza sauce, we should not add the skin of the tomato. Since we had cut the tomato and boiled it, it makes very easy to peel the skin off. This is a small piece of ginger. We should remove the seeds of the tomato and cut the tomato into pieces. Add them into the mixer jar for making paste. Very finely chopped ingredients should be added in this recipe. Here we add 5 tulsi leaves. Add 2 spoons of oil in a pan. Finely chopped garlic is added. To make this delicious and tasty recipe, we have to cut the ingredients into very small pieces. Add green chilies to make it spicy. Stir it. Add finely chopped onion pieces and stir it continuously. After the onion has cooked, add tomato paste into it. Mix it well and stir it continuously. Add half spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of sugar, half spoon of pepper powder and 5 tulsi or basel leaves. Tulsi leaves makes this dish yummy and makes a different flavor. These tulsi leaves are used by our ancestors from Vedic age, and it is also added in Italian style pizza. Cover it with a lid in medium flame for 20 minutes. Now pizza sauce is ready. Please subscribe my channel.